If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified about latest videos on my channel. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you found it useful and don't forget to comment below with your queries.
To germinate petunia seeds, you need a container with holes at the bottom and some moist coco peat. First of all, I am packing down the coco peat in the container so that the seeds get some solid base to grow upon. So you will pack down the coco peat in the container like this, and once you have finished packing down the coco peat in the container, you will level out the surface and then you will spritz some water in the coco peat to moisten it further. Petunia seeds are very fragile, very thin, so you have to be very careful while sprinkling them. So I will take a small amount of petunia seeds. You see how small they are, and I'll gently sprinkle them, trying to spread them evenly all over the surface of the pre-moistened coco peat that I have filled the container with. I'll lightly press down the seeds on the potting media with my thumb. And lastly, I will cover the top of the container using cling film, which will create a mini greenhouse effect and will allow the petunia seeds to germinate faster. So you will seal the container like this and you will place it at a place which receives morning sunlight. And it is just after 5 days that the first seed heads are seen to be sprouting. As soon as you see the seed heads, you can make some holes on the surface of the cling film to allow air circulation. Otherwise, the sprouted seedlings will rot and die. Now, this is the outcome after 12 days. Multiple seeds have germinated. Now, you let these seedlings grow and later transplant them.